A mirror roller is a roller cylinder with a surface that has undergone precise polishing and treatment. It is typically made of seamless steel pipe or other metal materials, with a surface that is smooth as a mirror and has high glossiness and flatness. The applications of mirror rollers include, but are not limited to: 1. Printing industry. Mirror finish rollers are commonly used in printing presses for applications such as gravure printing, flexographic printing, and offset printing. The smooth and polished surface of the mirror roller ensures precise ink transfer and improves printing quality. 2. Laminating industry. Mirror polish rollers are used in laminating processes to ensure proper adhesion and smooth lamination of various materials such as films, papers, and textiles. 3. Plastic film production. Mirror finish rollers find application in the production of plastic films, where they assist in achieving consistent film thickness, surface smoothness, and optical properties like high clarity and reflectivity. 4. Paper industry. Mirror polish rollers are utilized in paper production to achieve smooth and consistent paper surfaces, which enhances print quality and reduces paper defects. There are many industries that utilize mirror rollers, and they are typically customized based on specific application requirements. If you are interested in rollers, you can consult us for more information.